is Dabbinwithflavors. I am your host, Zayden here, and I have things. I'm also on the Sunrail right now. Annika just got me this. Anyone who doesn't know who Annika is, she's my very loving woman. But yes, she got this, and then this. Figured I'd do a little unboxing video since I'm here. Don't even know if I'll ever use this content, but oh, and they come with an extra atomizer. We are back. We already know what this is. There's a camera right there, but it's okay. If you would like to show the beautiful little shipping compartment thing. And then we slide this on. Oh, it might not work.
The next stop is the Tupperware station at Osceola Parkway. As you exit the train, remember to tap.
We are back. Monica put this on for me because I'm an incapable human. It's not a smooth ride at all, but it's okay.
This is the Tupperware station. Esta parada es Tupperware station.
A little Spider-Man activity right there. Is this the button?
This
So I'm
is the
currently-
Tupperware station. Esta parada es Tupperware station.
It's not even on. just got off of the Florida, not the Florida, but the Sunrail, which is a train that goes through Central Florida, kind of goes through like Orlando, takes you downtown, I think some other places. I don't know too much about it. But yeah, I just came back from doing that. We went to a kava bar. We just walked around. We had lunch. But I did a little unboxing video there, and I know you guys know what this is. Yeah, it's a pen. Oh wow, it's a pen, but also a pen. A pen. I unboxed it in the video, so you'll end up seeing me unboxing it. It's not the best quality. Cool thing about this, my girlfriend she got 2 of them. I let her keep one, but these I lose, bro. I've lost a good amount of, like, anywhere honestly between 5 to 6 cards, maybe 7 cards I've lost. This makes me, it's not sponsored by the way, but this I get to clip it onto me. It's like a little lighter leash, but it's for my cart. So lit. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next clip. I kind of just want to have a like sit down discussion, just me and the camera here. So the purpose that I kind of want to get out of this YouTube channel and like this social media thing that I'm doing right now, I mean, like, we're episode 5, episode 6, maybe even episode 7 in right now, depending on when you guys see this. But yeah, I'm wanting to raise a following, raising like people like me who enjoy food, who enjoy weed, who enjoy cars, who enjoy just like chilling in life and just vibing. I don't want to have a 9 to 5. I don't want to sit around working for somebody else when I can work for myself and make that money. If, I mean, you grind hard enough. Like, we're sitting here right now, me, Philip, and Mason, we're gonna grind as fucking hard as we can to get that food truck. And from there, we're just gonna keep striving. I mean, yeah, later on I wanna venture into some things, maybe some hoodies, make some clothing brand, maybe get a apparel. Things like that, I feel like that's what I wanna do, and this is basically my way of trying to aim at this. So, Dabbing with Flavors, it means a lot to me right now, and this is my way of sharing what I can bring to this world with you guys. As soon as I get enough funds and I'm stable enough, I felt a need to talk to you guys. I've uploaded all these videos and I'm trying. They're gonna get better, quality is gonna get better, content is gonna get better. I'm gonna have a lot of things done. But yes, that's what I wanted. That's what I came on here today to talk about. I think I just got off the turnpike video wise. Look at the items here. He's trying to get into that video. But yeah, like I'm saying, it's gonna be a journey, and I'm taking you guys along with me. Whoever cares to, like, you don't have to be here. You don't have to come along on this journey, but I want you guys. I want to share what I know. Mason and Philip want to share what they want to know. We're gonna share for you guys. But other than that, that's kind of what I wanted to say. I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, if this YouTube channel doesn't go through, I will find another way to cook for you guys. I promise. But let's hit a blinker. I got the new Benjamin, literally Benjamin. It writes too. Let's hit a little blinker real quick. Fresh Berry, I think is what it's called. Oh, yeah. I said it so many times, but it's so cool, dude. It's for my cart. Alright, though. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. I will catch you guys in the next episode. Have a good night, good time, good day, good whenever you are watching this.